Why don't you just kick that wash project's job? Why don't you just kick that job down? I don't even know. Okay. Okay. Hey guys, it's Mike from Image Wash Products, and today I'm here to show you how to up your wash game and stop using foam cannons. If you wash a lot like we do, you'll find that these things are really good for washing from time to time, but if you're washing quite frequently, they can start to get a little bit annoying for a lot of reasons. One, you have to fill it up constantly and mix your soap. Two, these things get out of whack, the dilution knobs, and they're not right where you left them because somebody touched it. And also too, just you can see like when you start to try to go up inside angles and stuff, you got this bottle that just wobbles all over the place, and you just can't get some of the same angles you can get with the system I'm about to show you, which is our Foaminator combined with an ST-164 dual injector by Suttner. These two working together are pretty much the bee's knees of washing, especially when it comes to two-step. We've got customers that'll run other chemicals besides our two-step. They'll maybe put like our bucket and brush and our wax replacement on here, and it does the same concept. But just from an overview level here, this injector, the whole idea is that it's basically pulling in your water from your pressure washer up here, and it's injecting the soap right here in the line, essentially. You can choose soap A or soap B, and you also have a bypass mode that gives you just a little bit more pressure, and you got your outline here that goes either A, directly on your hose to your gun, or it can go to a hose reel like what we have here. So we use this for foaming. You technically could use it too for high or low pressure applications, but the whole point is just that it mixes the soap for you. And I'll start with this one right here. Some people will actually run this system with what we call our Pistol Pete, which is just a trigger and the same foam head you see on the Foaminator. It's real nice and easy. Some people prefer this for a lot of reasons, which I'll get into in another video, but the idea is, boom, foam or rinse, okay? I like to use the Foaminator personally for a lot of reasons. It's just you got your foam barrel further away, you got that nice bend in the wand. You can just do a quarter turn here on the barrel to choose between your soap and your rinse barrels here, which mimics the same thing as replacing the entire barrels here. And yeah, like I said, just if you're trying to up your game and move faster and use your chemicals more efficiently, this is the way to go too, because there's metering tips here that are stuck in this unit that cannot be messed with by employees or other people. They can't just get out of whack. So you can guarantee that your soap is always coming out at the right dilution ratio, unchanged, and can't be mismixed or overmixed or anything like that. So it's faster, saves you chemical time, chemical money, etc., etc. Right now we have this hooked up to our two-step soaps, our touchless 1 and our touchless 2. You can hook it up with any two-step system or two-step soaps. Like I said, you could put it in a garden variety of chemicals, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to get you any information you might need. And we custom build this to work with your pressure washer. It'll work with any unit that is worth a grain of salt, basically. You just need to have at least, I would recommend 3 gallons per minute, 2,000 PSI. But I mean, let's be real. If you're washing trucks and you're using a 3 gallon a minute unit, you are losing time and money. Make the investment, get a 5 gallon or at least a 4 gallon a minute unit, and yeah, you will not regret that for truck washing. Look forward to it. Have a good day, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, all those good things. Thanks. Here, these are faces for Chad, so he can just get a bunch. Nasty, gross. Ew. Step up your game. Foaminator.